Blessings of wholeness, family. Welcome back to my channel. Right now we're heading to Calabash Bistro for a family affair brunch. I'm going to be teaming up with 2 other black owned businesses to provide a brunch for Black History Month. But as we know, Black history isn't history, we're creating it in the moment. But I got some amazing Seamoss desserts that I'm going to be presenting today. What we're going to do first is I'm going to show y'all the recipe. So we're going to cut to the recipe, then we're going to get to the vibes. So full enjoy this recipe. Make sure you tag me if you make it, and stay tuned for the vibes for this dinner. We making it happen. Got some walnuts, y'all, this is the truth. This right here is perfect. If you want more chocolatey flavor, add some more cacao maple syrup. You want a little bit less, add less at the start. For me, this is perfect. You show up to any party, any event, you got a date, whatever it may be, with this here, this right here is gonna be a hit. It's gonna be a winner. So let's go ahead and pour this over our base and let our cake settle, and we're done. Like, it's the easiest thing. Like, it's really so easy, and this is the most impressive dessert y'all are gonna be able to make. So let's go do it. So boom, there it is. You got your chocolate mousse Seamoss cake with the date and walnut base. Tomorrow, they're in for a treat. I guarantee you they are in for a treat. Give thanks. Thank you all for coming to a family affair brunch.
Happy people are the prettiest, cause they all up in their element. They don't control their world, but they know their world is right in there. Hey, the music is the medicine. So good. In a bottle and it's bubbling.
It was amazing.
So raise them up and pour a glass. Pour a bottle of bubbly, keeping us company. Head up in the clouds, ain't nobody can
Couldn't ask for it anymore. There's a purity when you're cooking with love, and we felt that today in this room.
So amazing. Thank you to Asha for having me. Crazy event, amazing event. Holding it down, bringing people together. That's what it's about. Love, 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 love.
Popping champagne on, I'm a fam up in here. Raise a glass in the air. Many more to come, I'm telling you now. Yeah, go ahead and get your glass.